Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of this camera. This is a 4G LTE and it has a cellular security camera outdoor. And we're going to, after we do the unbox, we're going to do the installations and we're probably going to run like the program and just to see how it works and give you my feedback on the camera itself. But this is the camera when you order it, like I say, so it sits right here. The company's name is Viziuuy. And the good thing about this camera is because it support cellular. So if you're in an area where it's too far away from your routers, where your Wi-Fi connection is not reachable, you can use this. And it does have the solar panel itself, so it can. There's two ways for this thing to be powered, either with the solar panel provided or with the charger, with the adapter. Okay, so and then just a little bit about the highlights of this camera itself. So it's a compatible SIM card, 100% wire-free, no Wi-Fi, no raise. Pan to zoom, 360 view, no blind area, and it has built-in speaker and microphone, so you can communicate two ways. Weather resistance ensures camera works effectively even in the toughest outdoor conditions. Storage, and it supports up to 128 gigabytes. The solar panel itself is a 6-watt solar panel compared to some of the ones out there, about 5 watts. And it has siren and spotlights as well, and it has motion detections, and it also has color night vision, which is good. And you can have multiple user access control, so you can give it to your significant other or somebody that you want to have access. Okay, here a little bit more information about the company itself, the phone number, and the support line at YouTube or Facebook, TikToks, if you guys are curious about it. So what does it come in this one right here? So it does through the power supply, the Taptes charging cable. There would be 2 charging options, one by the solar, other one is by the adapter. And what's included in this package is a camera, solar panel, couple screws, stickers, warning stickers, user manuals, and Type-C charging cable, and along with the pre-installed SIM card. So first thing, we see a quick guide for the solar panel charger. So basically it tells you how to do the installations. So I'm going to go over this when I actually do the installations outside. So you can see it. And it has a 24-hour surveillance camera. So this is pretty good because it will scare away some people, right? And here is the manual, the quick guide. Again, it has a lot of information. We need to read them. Okay, I'll do all that afterwards. And just take out, first thing is the solar panel. All right, so let's one by one. We got this solar panels here. This is 6 watts. Seems really solid to me, very rigid, really nice. And the cable is pretty long, so you can put it where the sunlight is at, so it can capture all the energy, right? It does come with a couple of screws here, and also have the SIM ejector. And this is the USB Type-C adapter. This one is going to be weatherproof, which is nice. And it does come with it's like the holder. This is for the solar panels, and this is for the base to hold the camera, which is nice. this is the actual camera. It has the antennas here. Built-in battery. Looks pretty nice. Put it aside, and let's see what else is inside the box. So it has a couple templates for us to mount. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. All right, guys. So as you can see, I have installed like in reviews like many cameras. So like the hole wise, it's almost the same as the similar ones. So I'm just gonna reuse it, as you can see right here. You know, but if not, you can use a template and then just use a pen to mark where the screw should go into, and then you're just gonna install it first. All right, so once you have the base installed like that, for me, I just only doing temporary, so I only put 2 screws, and it's pretty strong enough. It doesn't need 3. But if you're gonna do permanently, you're gonna do 3. And then you're gonna see this, and you're gonna put it through here, through this one. It's really hard to record with one hand. So it's like this, right? And then you put this, and you're gonna just tighten it. Tighten it. Yeah, once it's tightening to the position you like, and then you can put this according, you can change it a little bit right there, and then you can install the panels on. All right, so once you have this installed, you just put the screw the panels on the back with this things right here, and then once it's tightened, you're good to go. That you can tighten this little nut right here. That's how it looks like. So I just put the screws on for this one right there, and this is going to be holding the base or the camera. Okay, so I'm going to put the cameras on. All right, guys. So I just finished putting the camera into the little holder right here. You just once you have the base installed, just push it back, and it just snap right in. Just want to let you guys know that, as you can see, I already set it up, so you can see the notifications already say there's some kind of movement or motions. Underneath here, they have, this camera is a 4G LTE, so it uses a SIM card. So inside there, it already comes with the SIM card itself, and also with the micro SD card, and it's 128 gigabytes. So I think you can put more than 128, but the recommended is 128. So for the wire management, I connected the solar power panels itself, and since it's just a temporary, I just put the wire management like that. The good thing about the wire for the solar panels, like it's really long, so if you don't need it, you can just zip tie it and put it somewhere, hide in the back like this, like I did, and that way, you know. But if in some cases, if you need a longer wire, you know, because where you know, so it can get the take advantage of the sun, and this would be great. So I'll show you. I'll get on the ground, and I'll show you the camera. So now I'm on the ground, and as you see, that's the cameras. And as you can see right now, the sun is about 4 o'clock in California, and the sun is setting towards the east. So it's still able to charge the solar, the camera itself, but there's still, it's really sunny over here right now. So here you go. Forward on this side right here, and it should record. The indication on your top right, that is right. Right now, you're actually viewing through my camera, through the app. So I'm going to show you, I just barely put it up. So I'm going to show you how to flip the image. So the top right corner, that's the setting tab, and you click on image setting, and you just hit the flip the screen, and you go back, and just wait for it to update. As you can see right here, I'm in my driveway. I don't know if you can hear me how well, but on the screen you can see the 4G right there, and then on the left hand side you can see the battery bars and kilobytes it's using, and on the top it has the date and the time right there. And with this one you can pan and zoom, you can move it. I just pressed it, you can see the movement, right? Really neat. There you go. There's another alert. When there's motions, it gives you an alert. So with this thing is, it's really good because signals getting a little weak. Let's get a little cut off there. Not sure it's my Wi-Fi connections or it's the 4G itself. Right, so it's just got another. Let's just see if we can reestablish it. Give it a while. All right, there you go. So now let's see, go down so you can see me. All right, there you go. I don't know how good the quality of the audio is, but so here, so the good thing about this is you can communicate with the person's, for example, like someone who delivers your packages. You can tell him or her, you know what, just leave it at the front door, leave it up at the garage. So you can see right here. Let's see if I can do it sideways, and would it be the screen be bigger? All right, so there we go. We get another alert, and I just moved the screen to landscape, and you can see you can zoom, and you can take pictures, you can record, and you can talk, and you can zoom. Let's see, let's move it up a little bit more, move it up. There you go. So like I said, this is really neat. There's another one too, and you can take pictures, take a snap of it. There you go. Or when you wanted to record something, you just hit record on this side right here, and you should record. And it shows you the indication on your top right that it's recording, right? So pretty neat. There we go. So let's see what else can we do. Here it says something about your package has expired. Please recharge. I'm assuming that it's telling me about the SIM card itself. Okay, but this has local. You can save it to your memory card, so it's your SD card, so which is good. And it gives you. This one works with Alexa and also works with Google as well too. Right now, battery power, you can see the status that is charging through the solar system, which is good. Another message going through online. All right, so one of the ways for us to view the all the pictures taken, all the alerts, you just click on messages and you click on motion detections, and then you will see it has the date on the top, and then it has the time frame, and then you can just click on these. For example, click on the 404, okay, and it took the image right here too. So you can go back and go over here. Really nice. All right guys, so as you can see, the setup, everything is complete. Overall, it took me about, I would say, 30 minutes or less. And this kit right here, it comes with everything you need to install. I have a drill, I use a drill, but you use a screwdriver and all the screws, it's everything provided for you. And all the templates too is really easy too. So overall, it's picture quality, you can see it's really nice and clear. So if you have any questions on how to install it, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, and till next time.